Extension cord wire is broken somewhere. I don't know where, but we're gonna find out now. Switch off the main power before you test. Test the meter is moving when I join these two ends together. And here, this is the live, this is the neutral. So this is a live when you plug in the same. So we're going to test these two to see if the wire connects. So that's a reading, meaning the live wire is normal, it's okay, it's fine. Let's try the earth. Earth moves, earth is fine. Let's try the normal wire. This is the neutral. Neutral is not moving. That means the wire is broken. Where? We don't know. So we're gonna find out today. When I took out the wire from this socket, I realized that this thing is almost torn. Almost. You see? It's left with only one wire. So I think it's almost torn. So we're gonna find out around here, from here to here, whether there's any broken wire inside this blue wire. The rest is still okay, but this is also quite bad. So I have to cut off and make a new one. So now I'm going to use this end here, join to the blue wire, and touch the, if you see the meter is actually moving. Can you see that? Can you see my meter here is moving? There you go. Give it a roll on the wire, that should be able to break. If it's not, redo again. See, give it a spin, twist it, and then that's it. This is live, goes to live, neutral goes to neutral. Yeah, don't mix it wrongly. Otherwise, even though it's off, it will still have live current going through. This is a very thin extension cord. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.